Top of the morning, guys. I'm back. You already know Soap Guys TV, and we gotta cover this Bitcoin news and Bitcoin dump. It's going crazy. Too many people asking me questions. You feel me? And all those questions are going to get answered today. But you know what I need y'all to do, man, because this is going to be a good show. I need y'all to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. You know, keep this channel in the algorithms. Your favorite crypto channel guy, crypto legend here, Soap Guys TV is here. Make sure you go to the website. Our video is sponsored by the one and only Organic Lifestyle Forever. Make sure y'all get some of that cleaner. It's the best cleaner on the business. As you see right here, the tags, handles right there, y'all. Let's get straight into it. So everybody really want to know, will Bitcoin go to 30K? It's been a big tech sell-off, and what am I doing? What am I doing with my portfolio? We're going to answer that today. And also, we're going to see some thoughts on Elon Musk and what he thinks about Bitcoin. So, if you came over to this channel for the heavy technical analysis and all that, I'm not the technical analysis guy, but we got some people that's going to break down Bitcoin for you. But first, let's get into that news. A little bit of Bitcoin news for you guys. We need to watch for the 30K level, and this is big, guys, because we seen this happen in July. We seen this happen in July. So please be aware, as Bitcoin fights to avoid the 30 level. We should be seeing some resistance at 38K, but don't be surprised. Don't be surprised if it goes down. So it says after reversing at 38,000 overnight, Bitcoin looked decidedly unhealthy at the time of the writing, putting in fresh lows prior to the Wall Street open. Cross crypto liquidations passed 720 million on a day, but for this is hysterically a meager tally, with liquidity likely concentrated below 38,000. The chances of cascade being triggered are obvious. Liquidations since the push below 40K have been low so far, virtually not registering on the chart in the grand scheme of things. So right now we're fighting that resistance. We're fighting that resistance at 38. Guys, this is big. Come on down to 30, man. I'm not worrying about it coming down to 30, 33. You feel me? Because like I said, this is a crypto sale. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is what you want. This is, if you miss your opportunity, ladies, gentlemen, this is what you want. So guys, this is what you want. Right here, the coin that says if the 38,000 level is lost with some increased momentum, we are expecting a liquidation event similar to that of December 4th, and we'll move towards 33 in the first instance, possibly tagging 100-week moving average at 31,000, but 33,000 also being the potential level for some relief. All right, y'all, let's get it. They gotta stop calling me, man. They gotta stop calling me. Right now, we talking about this money. We talking about this business, and we talking about this money. Let's check out what my boy the Moon had to say about Bitcoin and the reasoning behind the dump from a technical analysis point of view.
A falling wedge forming, and yesterday I showed you this falling wedge, and in fact, as you can see, even though we broke down below this green support box, we are still technically actually within this falling wedge, which is of course a bullish pattern. As you can see, Bitcoin is right now testing the bottom support here. So I have support there, and now support there, forming this support line. And that is, of course, still technically then a sign that the falling wedge is still intact. But that said, we have to keep in mind here that something bearish happened right now. We broke through this green support box, which is of course a previous massive resistance, now huge support box. We broke below it, and I would say this: today is Friday. This weekly candle that we're forming now, let me just go to the weekly real quick, is extremely important, because the big question on my mind right now is, are we going to see a weekly candle close below $41,000 here or above.
So they're saying a big reason because of this crypto market crash. We got the Fed interest hike, the Wall Street in Russia, prominent reason. You feel me? Big sell-off. So we lost 500 billion in the combined market earlier on Friday. The market bloodbath led to 700 million in liquidation as top crypto assets bled heavily. Bitcoin has fallen below 40,000 as we see, and people want to know why it happened. So the first thing we have here is the US Fed inflation measures. So Fed is expected to raise interest rates thrice this year, with hikes going up from 0.25 to as high as 1% by EOI. Many market pundits believe the growing concern around inflation added with the Omicron rise has led to the sell-off on Wall Street, which eventually trickled down to the crypto market. You hear it here? So the Fed and that big boy O is playing a big, this is why. They say crypto creates the perfect trading vehicle for a short time before becoming the scapegoat for whatever crash is coming. So Bitcoin's market growing correlation with Wall Street. So another reason people believe is that market pundits also believe in the correlation of Bitcoin with the equity market could have fueled the crash early. Because of ETFs and institutional investors, Bitcoin has become more intertwined with equity markets. The cryptocurrency market has been swaying in lockstep with Wall Street. That's another thing. So an ETF got denied, and they denied one of the Bitcoin ETFs once again. They've been trying to get these ETFs and these stocks so people can be able to invest into Bitcoin ETFs, but they also keep getting denied. So I guess every time they get denied, that also takes a little bit hit on the market as well. And then the last reason that it could potentially have crashed was the Russian central bank crypto ban proposal. So Russia's been trying to ban crypto. Those are three things. You got the Fed, you got the ETFs getting denied, and then you got the Russian central bank trying to ban crypto. All of that sent it into a spiral. You feel me? And this is all happening at the beginning. And like I said, we expected this. Russia is reported thinking that Bitcoin is a pyramid scheme and it has demanded immediate ban on its use domestically. The central bank also warned crypto could pose a risk to financial sovereignty of the nation. So Russia became the third largest Bitcoin mining hub, but they about to shut all of that down. You feel me? And once again, that's what's caused a major FUD in the market, leading to a major sell-off. This is what we getting, man. You feel me? But we ain't worried about that. We ain't worried about that. Russia can do what they do. Y'all gotta remember, a lot of these cryptocurrencies are decentralized, so they're built to where the government really can't do anything. I don't want to say it like that, allegedly. You feel me? But they're built like that. That's why they're making a lot of these decentralized projects, because technically the system, the dollar, is flawed in a way. So they got millions of these computers running these numbers, running these codes, running these perfect codes, man. You know what I'm saying? A Bitcoin miner made $150,000 the other day. So this is the type of money they make when they mine. You know what I mean? Like, it's just, look at the market. Bitcoin is down 10%. Ethereum is down 13%. Binance is down 11%. Sol is down 16%. Right now, Sol is 119. Guys, 119. Man, I can't make this stuff up. XRP is down 10%. You can get Ethereum for under 3 bands right now. Moving on along, let's see what the great Elon Musk thoughts was on Bitcoin.
Bitcoin by itself simply cannot scale to be the monetary system for the world at base layer. But with a second layer, this is possible depending upon how that second layer is implemented. Yeah, that's part of why I think there may be some merit to something that may seem silly, like Ethereum, like Dogecoin. I think Ethereum also, the three things I own outside of SpaceX and Tesla, and obviously it's a Neuralink and Boring Company, but of any significance are Bitcoin by far, and then some Ethereum and some Doge. So if the price of Bitcoin goes down, I lose money. I'm not sort of I might pump, but I don't dump. It's not a case of I definitely do not believe in getting the price high and selling or anything like that. And I would like to see Bitcoin succeed. I think there's some merit to this is not a slam on Bitcoin. There's some merit to considering something that has a higher max transaction rate and lower transaction cost, and kind of seeing how far you could take a single layer network where the exchanges act as a de facto second layer. I think you can probably take that further than people realize, and as bandwidth increases the leading cryptocurrency. That would be the most ironic outcome.
Hey, so guys, I hope y'all liked the video today. I hope y'all liked the show today. But make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and let me know in the comments. Are we in a bear trap? Are you bearish? Is this a bull run? Are we going parabolic? Let me know in the comments. And you already know, 𝐤𝐨𝐬 TV, I'm out.
Even pigeon-toed, hiding from her folks, giving different strokes. Niggas bounce back like school dodgeball. You ain't really worth it if it's my call. I'm a hidden gem and you a slime ball. Check